Today we're going to review how to submit a sermon series. First, you want to be on the BWC.umc.org Toolbox page. Scroll down to the Sermon Studio icon. Click. You'll see that there are three options: Listen to Good Preaching, Submit a Sermon Series, or Sermon Series. You'll click Submit a Sermon Series. You'll come to a form location that asks if you want to share your favorite sermon ideas. Go ahead and complete the form below. Once you've completed all of the information indicated, you can upload your file, give any special instructions, and click Submit. You've just submitted a sermon series.